State of Arizona versus Talyn Vigil.
2 years after the indictments in the Preston Lord murder case, prosecutors asked a judge to revoke Talon Vigil's release conditions.
The defendant is on release and he's supposed to be on house arrest. This is the alternative to being in jail.
Prosecutors told the court Vigil has picked up 2 new criminal cases while on release, including a reckless driving charge and another case involving an order of protection in Gilbert.
We now have 2 separate cases that are literally being prosecuted. Granted, they're misdemeanors, but they are crimes.
They argue that shows the house arrest isn't working. But Vigil's defense attorney pushed back, telling the judge the reckless driving allegation happened right outside Vigil's own home.
When the officers arrived, Talon is sitting in the driveway working on motorcycles. He is not riding.
The defense says Vigil repairs motorcycles at home and may have revved an engine or spun a tire. But they argue that doesn't mean he violated the terms of his house arrest.
It looks like he's out there committing crimes, running around the neighborhoods being crazy. He's not.
Prosecutors disagree, saying burnouts and wheelies in a neighborhood street still raise serious concerns about public safety.
If it constitutes reckless driving, it's still a misdemeanor.
At some point, privilege must give way to accountability, and it's our position that that point is now, and we're asking that he be taken back into custody.
It's an argument Preston Lord's family attorney, Brenda Fusco, also echoes.
He should be incredibly grateful that he's even permitted to be remaining at home rather than sitting in a jail cell. Despite this privilege, he's been arrested not once, but twice.
Now, the judge says he expects to review additional filings later this month and plans to issue a ruling on or before April 1st on whether Talon Vigil's release conditions will be changing. Meanwhile, the larger case tied to Preston Lord's death is set for the end of this year. However, it is expected to continue to get pushed back. Reporting live, Alexis Dominguez for Arizona's Family.